This 2003 Impala impresses with a strong engine, good gas mileage, and a comfortable ride. The car is built solid, and has decent acceleration along with a great handling. The engine is a 3.4-liter, 180 horsepower V6, and gets 21/32 city highway. It holds 6 average-sized adults and 17.6 cubic feet of their luggage. The cabin is hardly what you would call opulent, but it gets the job done with a clean straightforward layout featuring large, easy-to-read gauges and simplified climate and radio controls. Although designed to compete in the normally staid full-size sedan market, the Impala distinguishes itself with such notable design cues like smoked headlight lenses, large circular tail lamps and a shape that creates a frown both front and rear. Stylists look to Impalas of the 60s for inspiration here, but its C-pillar badges mimic the surprisingly successful and often worn Impala SS of the 90s. Occupant safety is a big selling point for the Impala. Head protection standards for 2003 were met well in advance. Rear seat tether anchors will handle up to 3 child safety seats. Daytime running lights are also standard. Government crash tests gave the Impala a 5-star rating in front impact collisions and a 4-star rating in side impact crashes. 6-passenger sedans are few and far between these days, and this Impala delivers all that room in a safe and comfortable environment perfect for growing families. Print this out and come in today for a test drive.